Windows 7 introduces libraries, an entirely new concept or method for organizing files and folders. The Where Are My Files in Windows 7 video explained the basics of using libraries. This video will explain how to customize libraries to include more than the default folders created by Windows 7. The Documents library grants access to the My Documents folder. The Pictures library grants access to My Pictures folder, and the Music library grants access to the My Music folder. Finally, the Videos library grants access to the My Videos folder. We have already customized the libraries somewhat. We renamed the Documents library to Personal Stuff. So the Personal Stuff library grants access to the My Documents folder. We also added a library called Schoolwork that grants access to the My Schoolwork folder. Notice that the library names cover the types of media you are likely to find on your computer: documents, pictures, music, and videos. In other words, Windows 7 organized libraries based upon the type of media that is accessible by entering any particular library. Notice that I did not say the libraries are organized by the genre of media that are stored within them. Here's the subtle paradigm shift. With Windows 7, libraries provide access to folders where files are stored. Libraries are not themselves folders containing files. Let's walk through an example of setting up a library. I'm going to go to the Start menu and open the Pictures library. So if I click on that, it opens this window showing one folder or location, which is in the library by default, the My Pictures folder. I can click the arrow to the left of My Pictures to see what folders are inside My Pictures. And you see I have 14 folders ranging from 5th grade water down to wiki images. I may access the contents of any folder simply by double-clicking the folder to open it. I may click the Back to Pictures arrow up in the upper left corner if I want to go back to the Pictures library, or I may click Pictures in the breadcrumb trail to get back to the library, or I can just click Pictures in the list of libraries. I can also collapse the My Pictures folder by clicking the arrow once again. Well, I have several other folders on my laptop that have pictures in them that aren't stored inside My Pictures folder. For example, I have pictures stored inside a Personal folder in Personal Stuff. If I go out there, you can see I have an MWORK Personal folder with a folder called MWORK Pictures. I also have pictures folders in Schoolwork, most notably inside 2009-2010, a folder called NAIS Superhero. I'm going to use the Pictures library to centralize access to all of these folders containing images that are scattered about on my laptop. To add a folder to a library, simply open the destination library. So I'm going to open the Pictures library and click on the location link. For this example right now, it only has one location, My Pictures. Once I click that link, I'm able to add other folders to the library. So I'll just click Add, and I'm going to browse to Personal Stuff and find MWORK Personal, and scroll down until I find MWORK Pictures. Then I click Include Folder. As soon as I do that, you see that it's added to the Pictures library. I'm also going to add the NAIS Superhero by going to the Schoolwork library, 2009-2010 folder, and then I scroll down and select NAIS Superhero and include that folder. I can click OK, and now in my pictures library you see I have access to all of those folders. Note, adding a folder to a library does not move that folder. It merely creates a direct link from the library to the folder. So to emphasize that point, here's something you do not want to do. Let's say that I have in personal stuff a folder with pictures. So I'm going to go again into MWork Personal, and here I have a folder called Ecuador Docs and Pics. And I want to have that added to the pictures library. Notice I am in my personal stuff library. If I drag that folder and drop it into the pictures library, what's going to happen? It is actually going to move that folder and all of its contents to the My Pictures folder. That's not what I want to do. So remember, whenever you want to add a folder to a library, you first go to the destination library, click on Locations, and then click Add and browse to the folder containing the folder that you want to add. Hopefully I didn't confuse you too much.